Hopefully this is not just a wake-up call in women's football, but in women's sports in general. I played football my whole life. When I was 9, I told my mum that I wanted to play on the men's French national football team because I didn't have the role models. I did my PhD on men's football boots. I suggested that we would involve women. That was told by the manufacturers that it was too niche, and that got me thinking. We created a paper for sports engineering where we gathered expert researchers, practitioners from women's football, and Leah Williamson as a lead football player. We addressed 10 different issues in women's football, amongst which were the playing kit, the football boots, religious clothing, and the football pitch. Leah Williamson expressed that the kit fit is designed by manufacturers and not with the desires of the players. So some of them actually felt sexualized by the fact that women had to wear shorter shorts. Another thing, a lot of women want to wear darker colored shorts. Football boots are today predominantly designed for male players. However, women have different shaped feet. Women are often offered less good quality football pitches, causing issues to the quality of the game and increasing the injury risk. Our paper in sports engineering was in the 99th percentile of most read scientific papers when published. So obviously it created a lot of attention both by players and people in the field, but also by manufacturers and researchers who want to address these issues. We need to see action from the manufacturers, we need to see it from researchers, and we need the buy-in from players and clubs to be involved in the research as well. Hopefully this is not just a wake-up call in women's football, but in women's sports in general.